Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. In a digital world dominated by clickbait, controversy, and content churn, Colaz Smith stands out as a quiet force reshaping the Jamaican YouTube scene. Not with noise, but with community. Known to his growing base of loyal viewers as simply Colaz, this unassuming YouTuber is proving that one man with a camera, a mission, and a heart for others can rewrite the rules of success. Colaz didn't set out to become a social media sensation. His journey began with nothing more than a passion for the sea, a simple phone camera, and a willingness to share his life with the world. His early videos show the raw beauty of Jamaica coastal living, spearfishing, cooking, sharing meals with the homeless, and talking about life in a way that felt authentic and grounding. But as time passed, Colaz's channel evolved into something much greater than just personal content. It became a platform, not just for him but for others. And that's where the real power of Colaz lies. What makes Colaz different is not just his consistency or his charisma. It's his commitment to others. He didn't climb the YouTube ladder only to keep the spotlight on himself. Instead, he turned around and reached back, pulling up others who had dreams but lacked guidance. Names like Pappy Spearfishing, Teabag Lifestyle, Canta, Pappy Adventures, Ratty Adventures, Knife Ninja, Socks, Josh Lifestyle, and JC's World all trace their inspiration and, in some cases, their very start back to Colaz. He gives them tips, appears in their videos, shouts them out, and helps them understand not just how to record, but how to connect. Many of these creators are now thriving, not only because of their talent, but because someone believed in them before the algorithm ever did. In a media landscape where Jamaica is often represented by extremes, either paradise or peril, Colaz is offering something different. Reality with soul. He shows the everyday struggles, joys, and rhythms of Jamaican life through a lens of respect and dignity. And he's not just changing how the world sees Jamaicans, he's changing how Jamaicans see themselves. By building up ordinary people as content creators and role models, Colaz is creating a ripple effect of empowerment. Young men and women who once saw limited options now see YouTube not as a gimmick, but as a gateway to self-expression, income, and impact. Colaz doesn't speak like a CEO. He doesn't dress like a brand ambassador. And that's the point. His humility is his strength. His leadership is quiet but firm. He believes in consistency over virality, realness over perfection, and community over competition. There are no viral scandals, no fake beefs, just real people, real stories, and real growth. His channel isn't just a media outlet. It's a movement. Colaz's journey is a reminder that it doesn't take millions of dollars, fancy equipment, or media training to make a difference. It takes vision, values, and the willingness to lift others as you climb. He's not just building a YouTube empire. He's building a legacy, one that says we rise together. So when we talk about changing the narrative, we're not talking about headlines. We're talking about lives. And Colaz is living proof that one man can change many stories by simply telling the truth, helping others tell theirs, and believing that every voice matters.